Hello guys, today we're gonna go to my restaurant. We're gonna test our food there and yeah. Guys, today we're done eating and we're going to our restaurant now.
Dito tayo tumawid kasi.
Guys, we're done eating, we're gonna go to our restaurant now.
Kasi hold drinks on. Go. Let's go.
Go. Excuse me. I could control my brain. Oh, Daddy. Daddy, there's poop. Daddy. We're here, guys.
I got a spam burrito. Who's that? Hello. I don't speak Tagalog. You want with ketchup or no? Cow. Spam burrito.
It tastes good.
I know.
It's good. Okay, guys, this is our restaurant right here. This is our restaurant right here. 159 Delhi. I thought it was 161, but it's 159. Open for 24 hours, so yeah. Can I eat it in front of the camera?
Yeah.
Where do I put this? Okay. Oh, okay. So good. Is that cheese? Spam burrito. Spam cheese. Good. Actually, it tastes kind of good. That's a good one. That's good.
Good. Approve? How is it? Approve. Fine. May nila yan. May paper plates na tayo ba?
8 out of 10.
Hindi ano? Not 10 over 10? Not 10 over 10?
But it's so good. It tastes good at least.
Hmm?
But your food that tastes good.
Yeah.
I wanna record how you make it.
Huh?
Can I record how you make it?
Done already. Sabi, ikaw nag-cook. Isa pa? Ayun, meron na sa'yo. You wanna do it? Okay. Mag-video ka na ikaw magluto.
I didn't even know how to.
I'll teach you. Okay? No, video ka na lang. Kung sabihin mo, doon kayo kumain, no? Tanggalin nyo muna yung mga ano. Break muna tayo. Break agad. English. Okay. Sabihin mo first, what we're gonna do is fry the spam. Ayan, para kay Luis to. Fry the spam till it's crispy on the outside. Just tell it. And then, after that, what? 2 beaten eggs. 2 beaten eggs. Then we'll just mix it. I'll tell you what to say, okay? Alright? No, parang you have cooking ano na. Tapos this is what you're gonna do lang, oh. Right?
Watch the. There, you know what to do.
Don't touch it, okay?
Careful in your arms, ha?
Na, iniwan mo na yan.
Don't speak Tagalog.
Ate, nadali ko ba yung chili?
Wow.
Sige, wag na.
Lakas kanina eh.
Wag na, wag na. Okay
Wow,
lang.
wow, wow.
Pero pa-fireworks na nga. Kasi doon rin ang gutong gas eh. Kaya matapos din yung fireworks. Sobrang kapal ganyan yung gas kanina.
Ito. Huh? This one? Yeah. Yeah? Taya, can I get more for this?
Oh, hindi na. Sayang na yan. Nasa na?
Nasa binatara.
Doma.
Ay! Ay! Yes! Angel's Burger. Angel's Burger!
Ha?
Oh.
Ito?
Yes, Angel's Burger.
Wow.
Tikman mo pulled pork.
Dito yung
This is my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Ay. Ang tamis.
Matamis ang pulled pork. Kanino to?
One, two, three, four, five, password dito. Yung ano po. Ayan. Tamis.
Papa, Mom.
Ito yung password. PNCT Wi-Fi.
Aww.
Babawasan ko lang tamis. Actually, ito ko na pag-play. Kasi bite ka.
Huh.
Kasi. Bit na. It's just pork.
I stole this.
Ito ang bite.
Wait, where? Open this.
June,
Okay.
make it fast. There is, a lot of food.
Bibidyoan niya kasi yung sarili.
I'll open something. Let me chew.
Don't subo na. Kasi hindi naman tayo makakasimula ng Monday.
Hindi pa din.
So, kumpletuhin na lang natin. So, kumpletuhin ko na lang ulit yung ano. Kasi kami ni Inday, gagawa na kami ng macaroni, breaded chicken sa bahay. Kasi chicken.
Coke.
So far, I'm liking everything that you have in here.
Yan. So, tapos, walang saksakan ko, kailangan ng
We'll start by frying the spam. And now let's beat some 2 eggs. And now we're gonna fry the scrambled eggs. Yep.
Yep.
Let's heat our tortilla next.
Careful.
Time to mix.
Bukas ang oras ba tayo?
Time to roll the spam burrito. And here's the finished product.
Hindi ka pa sleepy.